With Google Pixel, you can easily scan a hard copy of a document and save it as a digital file. Here's how you do it. Open the camera app on your Pixel phone. Make sure that it's in photo mode and then point it at the document you want to scan. This goes without saying that you should be in a well-lit area. After a few seconds, there should be a bar that will appear that says Scan Document. Tap on it. Your phone will automatically find the area to scan, so make sure to keep the document and your phone steady. When it's finished scanning, you'll see the preview and you actually edit the picture if necessary. If you're satisfied with it, then tap Done at the top right corner. You will then have the option to save it to Google Drive, download it, or share it. In this tutorial, let's try to download it. As you can see, it is automatically saved as a PDF file. You can find it using the Files app and open the download folder. And that's how you can easily scan a document on your Google Pixel using the built-in camera. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.